Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix yellow screen on Realme C67 device. Well, many devices offer a night mode or blue light filter feature that reduce the amount of blue light emitted by the screen. This can result in yellowish tint, which is intended to reduce eye strain and improve sleep quality by reducing the exposure to blue light. Okay, and then how to remove it from this device? First thing you have to do is, please go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here you can choose the display option. After that, please scroll down. Okay, and then you can switch off the night light feature by pressing this button. Okay, and then now you can see that the yellow screen on your device is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix yellow screen on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.